Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Have you ever worked hard on AI-generated content, only to see it flagged for sounding too robotic? This issue is common among bloggers, students, and marketers who rely on automated writing tools. Today, we're going to explore how Undetectable.ai can help transform machine-produced text into natural, human-like writing, and how to use it responsibly. We'll cover what Undetectable.ai is, how it works, its pricing plans, the right way to use it, and both its advantages and drawbacks. Most importantly, we'll discuss how to avoid pitfalls like cheating, laziness, or misrepresenting your work. Remember, check the link in the description for more details. What is Undetectable.ai? Undetectable.ai is a tool that makes computer-generated text sound as if it were written by a human. It helps users avoid detection by tools such as Turnitin or GPTZero by rephrasing your content. However, it's important to emphasize that this tool is meant to improve your work, not replace your own effort. Use it as a helper to enhance your ideas, and always be honest about the assistance you receive from AI, especially in academic or professional settings. Quick demo and how it works. In our demo today, here's what we'll do. 1. Copy and paste. I'll start by copying a paragraph and pasting it into Undetectable.ai's interface. 2. Humanize the text. Next, I'll click on the Humanize button to transform the content into natural, human-like text. 3. Verification. Then, I'll copy the humanized text and paste it into ZeroGPT to check whether it's detected as AI-generated. 4. Results. As you'll see, the result confirms that the text is humanized and not flagged as AI-generated. This step-by-step demo shows exactly how the tool works in real time, helping you understand its effectiveness. Pricing and plans. Now, let's discuss pricing. Undetectable.ai offers flexible plans designed to suit different needs. For individual users, pricing starts at around $14.99 per month for 15,000 words. On the website, you'll see several options, including yearly subscriptions and business plans with extra features. During this video, I'll show you the exact pricing details on screen so you can see all the available plans and their benefits. Remember, check the link in the description for more details. How to use it the right way. Using Undetectable.ai responsibly is key. Here are some expert tips to ensure you get the most out of this tool without compromising your integrity. 1. Don't copy. Only submit work that you understand and agree with. AI should assist your creativity, not replace it. 2. Don't be lazy. Use this tool to streamline your process, not to avoid learning. For students, remember that homework is a chance to learn. Don't cheat yourself. 3. Be honest. Never claim AI-written content as entirely your own. Transparency builds trust with your audience or instructors. Good and bad points. Let's examine some pros and cons, including 3 major concerns. Good points. Saves time. Undetectable.ai helps you polish drafts quickly while preserving your core ideas. Improves readability. It smooths out robotic tones, making your content easier and more enjoyable to read. Accessibility. This tool is especially useful for non-native speakers or anyone who struggles with writing fluently. Bad points. 1. Risk of over-reliance. Relying too much on the tool might discourage critical thinking. Ask yourself, am I still contributing, or is the AI doing all the work? 2. Risk of cheating. Misusing this tool for academic or professional work can lead to ethical issues. 3. Loss of personal voice. The unique flavor of your ideas is important. Over-editing with AI might dilute your authentic voice. What users say. Real users have shared their experiences with Undetectable.ai. Many bloggers and students report that their content now sounds much more natural, which has improved their engagement and credibility. Reviews on platforms like Reddit and inbound blogging highlight the tool's speed and ease of use for shorter texts, although some note that occasional grammar issues may need a quick manual fix. Academic research even suggests that texts processed with this tool show a significant drop in AI detection scores, demonstrating its effectiveness when used wisely. In summary, Undetectable.ai is a valuable tool for making your machine-generated content sound genuinely human. It can boost your productivity and help you overcome the limitations of robotic text. However, it's crucial to use it ethically. Avoid shortcuts, be honest about the assistance you receive, and always maintain your unique voice. If you're ready to try it responsibly, Click the link in the description for more details. Thanks for watching, and remember, doing the right thing is always better than taking shortcuts.